In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find, preview, and use an existing template so you can set up your boards much faster and more consistently. Let's start inside your Monday.com workspace. Over on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the main navigation pane. This is where your workspaces, folders, and boards live. Look just below the name of your workspace, and you'll notice a small plus icon. This is what you'll use to create something new. Go ahead and click that plus icon. When you do, Monday.com will show you different options for creating boards or using pre-built structures. From here, you want to open the Template Center. The Template Center is essentially Monday.com's library of ready-made boards and workflows designed for common use cases like project management, marketing campaigns, sales pipelines, and more. Using these templates saves you the time and effort of building everything from scratch. Once the Template Center is open, you'll see a search bar and a list of categories. If you already know what you're looking for, you can type a keyword into the search bar, like project, content, or pipeline. This will filter the list and show you only the templates related to that term. If you're not sure exactly what you need yet, you can browse by category instead. Common categories include areas like marketing and sales, but you may also see others depending on your account and any updates to the platform. Click on a category that best matches the type of work you're doing. For example, if you're planning a social media calendar, you might start in the marketing category. If you're tracking leads or deals, the sales category is a good place to begin. After you select a category or run a search, you'll see a series of template thumbnails. Each one represents a different pre-built board or workflow. Take a moment to click on a template thumbnail that looks close to what you need. This will usually open a preview so you can get a sense of the groups, columns, and structure included. If the template looks like a good fit, find the option labeled Use Template and click it. Monday.com will then create a new board in your workspace based on that template. From there, you can rename the board, adjust the columns, and customize anything you need, but the core structure will already be in place, helping you get up and running quickly and consistently.